Right, so this is about 3 hours since the L4 stroke 5 lumbar decompression and stabilisation, and we also decompressed the L3-4 and the L4-5 levels for tight stenosis. And this is you literally a few hours after the operation, ready to go home. So tell me, how does it feel at the moment?
Yeah, I'm feeling free.
The legs, how do the legs feel?
Okay.
That pain that you had in the right leg?
Leg's gone, yeah.
That's all gone?
That's all gone. It's just pain in the back where
the operation is, yeah.
Less muscular or whatever.
Exactly. Can I see you walking? And how about kind of posture-wise? How do you feel in terms of your posture?
I feel quite straight.
Do you feel straight?
I'm not having to correct or feel a lot protected.
Exactly. It feels more stable. I mean, you definitely look more upright.
Yeah.
Perfect. Good. Excellent.